Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a empties video. My goodness, I've been just like hoarding these products, waiting to share them with you guys. So I have today a bunch of products I've used up. Lots of makeup actually, lots of skincare, and I love doing these videos because I'm able to give you guys reviews on these products. A lot of times I share like new, and I don't have the time to like come back and tell you guys my thoughts on everything. So you really get to see like a feel for the products that I really love, the products that I chose to use all the way up, and I'm excited to share those with you. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first off, I do want to mention I'm going to put links to everything I can try to put links to down below for you guys. It's a lot of products, so I'm just going to kind of start digging and start showing you guys. So up first, I've actually got a couple of these because I love this. This is from Ulta Beauty. It's their waterproof eye and lip makeup remover. I talked about this a bunch. It's a really great affordable option if you are looking for something that is going to help remove your eye makeup. This is great for like waterproof mascara. I use this a lot on my eyes just in general. I have another product in here that I've used quite a few tubs of that you guys will see that has became my new favorite, but for me forever this has been something I've been loving. I really like the one from Lancome, and then I moved on to the Sephora one, and then I found the Ulta one, which is even more affordable, and this one I like more than all of them. That's really good, so check them out. They always do like a buy to get one free as well, so I feel like that's a great option too if you're wanting to grab this, because I feel like you can get it at a discount. Okay, next up I have some eye patches for you, and these are from Milk Makeup. It's their cooling water eye gel patches. It says in here there was 6 pairs of this, so I loved these. They're really nice and cooling on my under eyes. I do feel like they really helped with kind of like depuffing. I love using eye patches. They're something I personally use a lot because as a mom I feel like I'm definitely dealing with those under eye bags. My son is actually sleeping through the night now, which thank goodness, because I'm currently pregnant. I'm 16 weeks pregnant, and I know that that is not going to last long. Like, I'm about to be with another newborn again, so eye patches are definitely a must for me. I actually found one from Pop Beauty that I would recommend over these just because they're a little bit pricey. I did really like them, but I found from, like I said, Pop Beauty, they have one. I believe you can find them at Target. I think it's called like their I Wake Up. I can't even remember what they're called, but I'll link them down below. They're very, very similar to those. Like, pretty much a dupe for them, and they're way more affordable, so definitely check those out. Next in here from Farsali, I have their Rose Gold Skin Mist. I absolutely love this product. I actually have another one that I started on my vanity. Super great for melting your makeup into your skin, giving you like that glass skin-like appearance. It really helps to just like melt all of your powders in and just make your skin look really dewy, really smooth, really nice. It doesn't really necessarily help my makeup last, but I feel like this is just such a great like finishing product. If you're into just finishing like a finishing spray, I think you'll really enjoy this one. It is pricey, but definitely worth it in my opinion. I really like it. Speaking of pregnancy, I use this one after my pregnancy with my son Rowan, and this is from Derma E. It's their Scar Gel. I really like this. I feel like it was nice and hydrating. I do think it helped to fade my stretch marks just a tiny bit. I don't think it did like anything miraculous. I still have those stretch marks, but I do think it helped to kind of like fade the pinkness of them. And also it was nice and hydrating. I feel like if you are pregnant or you've been pregnant, you know how like itchy you can get. So that's going to be something I'm definitely reaching for again. I just got a new one of that, so I'll be using it for this pregnancy as well. Okay, I have a couple of makeup wipes in here. I actually have quite a few. I got these ones from Purlisse. I've talked about these a lot. If you like makeup wipes, if you are someone who regularly buys them, highly recommend these ones from Purlisse. You can hear Rowan back there. These are actually really moisturizing on the skin. I know I talk about makeup wipes. I personally don't use them a lot because I feel like they really dry your skin out. If I were to use them though, these are the ones I'm going to be using because they really are so hydrating. They're nice and wet, so I feel like they really do a good job at removing your makeup. So I do use these for those days when I do that. I never use just a makeup wipe though. I may use one quickly if I'm doing something to remove something, but I will always cleanse because I feel like it makes such a difference, and I feel like you never really get everything off with a makeup wipe. Okay, and I have a cleanser in here. This is from Glam. It's their Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. This one I got in a BoxyCharm, I believe, and I use it all the way up, so it's quite a large bottle. This was what I would use with my double cleansing, so I'll show you guys another product that I like using up. That one I go in with, and then I also go in with this after, kind of as my second cleanse. I don't love it for removing all your makeup. Like this one, in my opinion, I don't think would remove everything, but I do think it works nice as a second option because it does have like that bubbling effect, and it just gets my skin nice and clean, but I feel like I have to go in with a cleansing balm before I use that one. Okay, I have a shampoo for you. I really love this one. So this is from Living Proof. It's their Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. It says helps remove product pollution and hard water buildup. Definitely think that that is a thing with this. very, very nice for helping your scalp just feel like revived. For me, I do have a bit of hard water on my house, and I feel like my scalp from time to time can feel like heavy. Also, if I'm using a lot of product, like I've been using a lot of dry shampoo or something, I feel like I use this and it really just like helps get your hair like that squeaky clean, really nice. It is quite pricey, which is why I haven't gotten another one, but it is a really nice product. I would like to keep this, like repurchase it and just keep it in my shower and maybe use it like once every like 3 weeks or something, just when I feel like my hair really needs it, but not use it like every time, just because I feel like it's so pricey. Like I just want to use it sparingly, but it is a really nice product. This was the product I was telling you guys about, so that I went through that I absolutely love. This is what I love using for removing my makeup now. I use this for my eye makeup, for my face makeup. It's from Pharmacy. It's their Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I went through this ginormous tub. This is like the biggest one that they offer. I love this for removing my makeup. I feel like it does such a nice job. It's nice and gentle, really breaks apart everything on the face. So like what I was doing in my routine was going in with this, and then I would finish up with this after. And now I've since went back to my Skin Fix cleanser, but working this with another cleanser is just amazing in your routine. I feel like it really just helps get your skin like that clean, squeaky clean without stripping it. Also really great for removing your eye makeup, waterproof makeup, everything like that. Okay, a makeup product that I went through again. This is actually my second bottle of this, believe it or not. It's craziness. So this is from L'Oreal. It's their Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. I can't even tell you a foundation I went through more than one tube of. Like, I don't know, it's been a while. Maybe the Maybelline Fit Me, because I was like obsessed with that for a long time, but I think this is probably like only the second one that I've done that with, because I have so many foundations in my collection. I'm constantly rotating them through, and I feel like I never really get to like use up a full foundation, but I've used 2 of these. But if that tells you anything, I love this foundation. I already have another one going, but this is amazing at giving you like that natural skin finish. It gives you a nice, I don't want to say like radiance, because it's not radiant, but it's like, it's just your skin. It looks nice. It doesn't have any sort of mattifying factor to it. It just looks natural. It looks really healthy, glowy but not glowy. It's just really nice. It has a pump. It's drugstore. It's great. I can't say enough good things about that. It's one of my favorites. Got a couple more skincare products for you. So this is from Glow Recipe. It says lab sample because I do receive some PR from them, products like ahead of the launch. So I used this up because there was quite a bit in here. But this is their Papaya Cleansing Balm. And if I were to compare it to the Pharmacy, I do like the Pharmacy quite a bit more. The reason is because this one is really nice at removing your makeup. It breaks everything up, but it has more of a, almost more of like a lather and kind of like more moisturizing. So I don't love it for like removing, I'm trying to explain it the best way I can, but it kind of like, it gets like a milky consistency on your face, and it takes quite a lot of rinsing to remove it. As far as the Pharmacy ones, you can kind of just gently remove it and it's good to go. This one I feel like you have to work a little bit harder to remove the balm. So for me, it just takes a little bit longer. So that's a reason I don't love this one as much, but it smells nice. It's a great formula. It's just, I just like the other one a little bit more. So I have another one of this one I'm working on, but I'll definitely, if I were to repurchase between the two, I would repurchase the Pharmacy one first. One of my favorite eye balms, I've actually went through, again, another container of this. This is from Belief. It's their moisturizing eye balm. This one is my favorite for a morning eye cream. It's very nice and nourishing. It's nice and hydrating. It does a really nice job at just like moisturizing your under eyes. This one is also not too harsh, so I feel like I can put it over my lid as well to kind of help with those lines and everything I have up there. So this is a great one if you are looking for a new eye cream. I highly recommend that one. Nice and moisturizing. And then let's see what else. I put all of my toothpaste in here. You guys are always asking what toothpaste I'm using. I'm sure I went through more of these, but I threw a couple in here. It's from Colgate. It's their Optic White Advanced. So lots of tubes of those. I'm always using those because I've been using that one, gosh, for years. I know I always get asked about teeth whitening. That's all I use. I don't have any sort of like teeth whitening thing, anything else other than that. I have another makeup wipe in here. This was from Pixi. It's their Makeup Melting Cleansing Cloth. Did not like these at all. They are rose scented and they are super rose scented. Like I remember I used one of these once I like started a makeup look and I was trying to remove it because it didn't end up looking good. And this was just like, ugh, like my skin was instantly like, get this off of me. I just didn't like how scented it was. It's very, very heavily scented. It says chamomile and rose. Maybe it's a chamomile that I didn't like, but I ended up using the rest of them for swatches, but definitely would not recommend to not get that one again. I did use up another Shiseido Fashion cotton pads. I've been purchasing these for so long. I love them. They are so nice for removing your eye makeup. They're nice and soft. They're just like a cotton, but they are so great. They're nice and, like I said, soft, but they also like remove everything really easily. They don't get any of like those fibers on your face. They're really great. So recently I have been switching over to more sustainable ones. So I've been using like these ones from Makeup Eraser. They're amazing. These are their new puffs. You can actually use these to remove your makeup, and these aren't harsh at all. They're very nice and soft, really great. So you can use water with these, or you can apply, what I do is I apply my, I actually have another one in here. I have another two. Oh my gosh, I have so many of these. The Ulta waterproof makeup remover, I put it right on here, and then I actually just put this over my eye, and it really does a good job at removing it. So I haven't tried to repurchase those. I think I have one more left that I'm working on still, but I really don't use those. And I also use these for toners. So I put this on my toner on here as well and use that for that. So definitely these are a great option. I'll link those down below. I also have a code for them, which makes them even more affordable for Makeup Eraser. So code is Makeup Molly, but I'll link those so you guys can check them out. Okay, concealer I threw in here is from Clove and Hollow, and this is, I don't even know what the name of it. It doesn't have the name on here. It says 02, which is the shade. This is a concealer. I used quite a bit in here, but like I went to go use it and I really think it's dried up. So I threw it in here. You can tell like I definitely went through like some of it, but I think it just dried up. It was way too drying on my under eyes when I used that. Clove and Hollow is a more clean brand. I don't see them a bunch, like mentioned a bunch, but they have some really great products. I threw this candle in here from Bath & Body Works because I wanted to share with you guys. The scent of this one is like heaven. It's from the White Barn line, and it's the White Gardenia. Oh my gosh, like the smell of this candle is like heaven. It even just has the scent still in it. It's all the way down there, but oh my god, it smells so good. I love the smell of gardenia. I feel like it's just like my favorite scent ever. And anytime that candle was burning, I was just like obsessed with it. I love it. I did not realize how many makeup wipes I have in here. Honestly, you guys, I use these a lot for like swatches, lip swatches, things like that. Only because I'm sent them. Like if I wasn't sent them, I would definitely not be purchasing them. But another one I used up is the Makeup Melt. This is from Bliss. It's their oil-free makeup removing wipes. So I have that one. And then I also have another one of the Purlisse watermelon one. And then from Patchology, these actually used to be my favorite before I found the Purlisse ones. These are their Clean AF makeup removers. These are pretty much the same as the Purlisse. I feel like they're nice and hydrating, moisturizing. They're very wet, so I feel like they remove a lot, but they are like twice the price of these Purlisse ones. So I think these are $7, and I want to say these are like, I don't know exactly the price, but I know they're way more than $7. So these ones are definitely better. And also I have a coupon code with Purlisse, which gets you 25% off. So they're even cheaper if you are looking for a makeup wipe option. From Dermalogica, I have the Sound Sleep Cocoon. This is a night gel cream. I did use most of this up. I think there's a tiny bit left in here, but I kind of stopped using it just because I feel like, I don't know, I wasn't really noticing a huge difference with this. It is a night cream, so it's something you apply before you go to bed. It is hydrating and nice, but I don't know, like I was like, okay, am I seeing any difference with this? And I used quite a bit of it, and I just kind of was like, why am I still using this? Because I don't really notice anything happening. It says that it's supposed to help like give you hydration. I also think it's supposed to help with like fine lines and things, but I don't know. I didn't notice any difference really much with this, so I was like, oh, let me just get rid of it out of my collection because it's just sitting on my sink at this point. Another product I used most of, but I have a tiny bit left, but I'm just going to be done with this. This is from Fresh. It's the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. Same thing, kind of like was just over using it. I feel like I only had a little bit left, but the thing with this one is there's all those like petals at the bottom. So I feel like every time I was trying to get product out, like little petals are coming out of the packaging. So I was kind of like, okay, I think I just need to be done with this. I did use it almost all the way up, and I did like it. I feel like it is nice and hydrating. It's a good toner. It does have that rose scent, so if you're not into scented products, then this probably isn't for you. But I did like it. I since have found more that like other options I like more than this, so I don't think I would repurchase it. Although I do think it's a nice toner. I didn't like, I don't know, I liked it, and in the beginning I was like, this is amazing, and it's doing such great things for my skin. Like I really think it helps like soften my pores and things. But since then, I've really enjoyed this one from Believe that I feel like really works really well. This is their Aqua Balm Hydrating Toner, and kind of similar concept, and I feel like I'm almost done with this one too, but really like this one. And let's see what other toners. I have quite a few that I feel like kind of, this one almost reminds me a little bit of the Glow Tonic too from Pixi. I have quite a few of those as well. This is a product that I love. This is from The Ordinary. It's their Buffet Serum. Super great serum. If you're looking for something that is affordable, that's going to help with like those fine lines and things. I am missing this in my collection because I feel like my lines are just coming right back after using this. I used it for a while and I really think it did help like soften those. So I need to find a better, or need to get another serum or maybe grab another one of this one, but really great. I want to try, there's one other serum that I keep hearing people mention from them that I've seen works really well for fine lines. So I need to try that one as well. From Beauty Blender, I have here, this is their Solid Pro Charcoal Brush Cleanser. It looks kind of gross in here, but I did use this all the way up. I just use this to clean my sponges. So this is what I would use. Just put my sponges like directly in here, rinse them. What is my son doing? Rinse them off with water, and then I just like rinse them out. So I always go through these. There's another one that I like as well. I can't think of it, but a lot of times I just use soap if I'm doing it. Like a bar of soap I feel like works just as well as those cleansers and nowhere near the price. I have from a pharmacy, this is their very cherry green clean. This is the cherry version of the regular one. This came, I believe, in a BoxyCharm. It was limited edition. I don't think they have this one anymore, and I do prefer the regular one to this one. Same concept, same formula, it's just cherry scented. So I feel like it's okay, but I just don't really need like the scent of that one. I just prefer the regular one. And then I have another skincare product. This is the Super Collagen Mist from DHC. It's supposed to help just like plump your skin. It's a spray. I love spray products like this because I feel like they're just so easy. I would just like spritz it on after I applied like my toner and everything. I didn't know if this did anything, but I feel like it felt nice on my skin. I used up the whole thing. I have another one. I might still use it. I don't know. Like it could be giving me some collagen, but I'm not exactly sure. And then I actually use this one up from Hourglass, which I feel like you must not get a lot of products in here because I have a lot of brow pencils that I've been working at for like a very long time that I feel like it takes me forever to go through, but this one I feel like I used up relatively quickly. I did really like it. It's called their Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. I got it, I believe, in a BoxyCharm again, but I really like this one. It was really nice for my brows. I feel like the pencil on it was really small. You probably can't really see it, but it was nice and small, easy to get those like hair-like strokes. I liked the spoolie. It's a pricey brow pencil though, and like I said, I feel like I have my ones from Joa. I actually used this today that have been going for like ever, and I feel like this one went through, gosh, I went through it in like a few months. It was very quick. Oh my goodness, I have another one of those eye makeup removers from Ulta. I think that's like what? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I have 5 of these in this haul, so my goodness, I've went through a lot of those. And then this is actually a product I love, love, love from Milk. This is their vegan milk moisturizer. I used up the entire tub of this. Love this one. Super hydrating, really thick and moisturizing, but not too thick. I feel like this still does a good job at like working into your skin. I really think that this one did help hydrate me a lot. I would use it again. It is fragrance free, which I do like again. So I have actually a second one of this that I need to pull out, but I'm working through another moisturizer first. But I do really like this. I definitely repurchase, definitely recommend. And then I have the last few products here that are makeup products. So from Maybelline, I used up their Instant Pore Eraser. I actually cut mine so that I could get all of the product out of there because if you don't know, like with these squeezy tubes, sometimes you can like chop it open and grab the rest of the product out. So I did do that. Something I realized I really like this for, not only is using it as a primer for like those pores, but actually you can use this after you apply your foundation. You put a little bit of this on like over top of your pore area. Like I would put it like right here, and it actually smooths over your pores like after you apply your foundation. It doesn't break it apart or anything. So I need to repurchase this. So I tried to do that with my Professional from Benefit. It just didn't work the same. Like you kind of see it and it did break apart a little bit. Something about this formula though, it didn't break apart my makeup. So I loved doing that, especially if I was gonna take like pictures or if I was going somewhere, I would just pop a little bit of that on my pores really quickly and it just like smoothed them out. I really liked it for that. All right, and then the last makeup product I have is a Monster Big Lancome mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I really like it for lengthening my lashes. I feel like it does a nice job of like giving my lashes a fuller appearance. Really like this. I went through quite a few tubes of that. But after that, now that I have all this trash in front of me, that is going to do it for this Empties video. I know I kind of sped through everything, but hopefully you found this helpful. Hopefully you got some like mini reviews out of here. Let me know some products down below that you have used up, some products that you are constantly repurchasing. I would love to know. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.